Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is August the 7th and our devotion is The Unknown. Thus says the Lord who made it, the Lord who formed it to establish it, the Lord is his name. Call to me and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things, which you do not know. Jeremiah 33, 2 and 3. If you're there, God, give me a sign. People have screamed this unto the heavens many a times throughout years. We want to see something that will tell us that God is real and not just real but also present. We want that experience that will bring heaven to earth and expel our doubts with a single lightning bolt. God is more than able to give those miraculous signs, but he is so much more than an experience. We mistakenly think experience is the peak of his power. God continues to show his power in dark valleys. God, thank you for showing your power, but help me not to seek those out to validate who you are. Let my faith be enough to ensure your presence and goodness in my life. The nighttime devotion. God was present with you today, and he will show himself to you in different ways tomorrow. He will show you things you aren't even expecting. He wants to show you great and mighty things. He is not limited by time, space, or human understanding. Put your hope and faith in the God who knows everything. The question of the day. How has God shown himself to you in small things today? I'm thinking. First off, he woke me up this morning. That is the very first thing. He let me live to see another day. I see God's presence every day when I listen to the birds or I look outside and I see the white fluffy clouds in the sky and the blue background. And I feel his presence every day with me. And it's funny that this verse is the verse that is the devotion today, because just the other day I seen a t-shirt and I want one of these t-shirts. It says, God's phone number is Jeremiah 33:3, which is the part that says, Call me, and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things which you do not know. And I'm going to get me one of these t-shirts. I'm going to find somebody to make me one. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I appreciate it. And remember, don't let anybody steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.